In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to fix Tesla camera not working. So let's get started. Now, first of all, obviously you can go ahead and come to this link right here, tesla.com/owner's manual. Now from here, you can go ahead and choose your model of Tesla. Now let's say you use a Model S, you can just go ahead and click on that. And then you can choose any language you want. I'm just gonna go with English for this video, and then you'll have to go under the overview option, and here you're going to see this option of cameras. Now once you go here, it's going to give you all the information on the cameras that are included in your Model S vehicle, and you can go ahead and read all this if you wish to. But now I'm going to go ahead and give you some extra tips on how to fix your camera if none of this helps you out. So let's get started. Now the first way that we have is perform a system restart. Now there are two types, soft and hard reboot. Now for soft reboot, go to controls, safety and security, and power off. Wait 2 to 3 minutes, then press the brake pedal to power the car back on. Then we have hard reboots. Now hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for 10 seconds until the screen resets, and this resolves many software related issues. Then the second way is to clean the camera lenses. So check the cameras, the front side and the rear for dirt, snow or debris. Use a microfiber growth and gentle cleaning solution to clean the lenses thoroughly. The next solution is to update the software. So go to controls, software, and check if an update is available. Install the update if one is pending, and many Tesla camera issues are resolved with software patches. Then we have reset camera calibration. So navigate to controls, service, camera calibration, and click on reset calibration. Recalibrate while driving on well-marked roads to ensure optimal camera functionality. And lastly, it is to contact Tesla support. So if the above methods do not resolve the issue, it could be a hardware fault. So use the Tesla app to schedule a service appointment or contact the Tesla support for remote diagnostics. So that is basically everything you could do to fix your cameras. And I hope that this video has helped you out. And I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.